Hello everyone, my name is Gio, and I'm in the 5th grade at Shima Elementary School. I will give a presentation about Rainforest. Many plants and animals live here. One of these animals is a colorful insect with four wings. Which animal is it?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. The butterfly comes in many shapes and colors. When butterflies are born, they don't have wings. A butterfly begins life as an egg. The caterpillar is an hatchet. The caterpillar eats and grows quickly. When it has reached its full growth, it builds a chrysalis around itself, stays within until it emerges as a butterfly. The brightly colored rainforest animal starts out as an egg in the water and then becomes a tadpole. Which animal is it? Poison arrow frog. A poison arrow frog comes in many shapes and colors. Although they might be nice, stay away. They are very poisonous. This large rainforest animal is a type of bird, but it cannot fly very well. It moves by hopping from tree to tree. Which animal is it? Toucan. The toucan is one of the world's richest birds. You can hear the toucan from almost a mile away. Their colorful bills scare away other animals and that brings us to the end.